Why are the leaves of my rubber tree plant curling under? Mary from YouTube. So what do you think about that one, Joellen?
Well, I would like to have a picture.
That would have helped.
But it could be several things. It could be insect, because sometimes you get curling leaves with insect damage at the tips of the leaves. But if it's all over the plant, it could be environmental of some kind, which might have to do with the even moisture in the soil, or maybe it got dried out, and if then you water it, then you get dried out. It's not even enough, and the plant is just trying to tell you that it's not happy. Rubber plants are pretty easy to grow, so I'll probably a little less watering might keep it on the dry side of moist. I always say, and
dry side of
the dry side of moist.
Dry side of moist.
Yeah,
like
that's I've always said that. Well, it likes to be on the dry side of moist, because
or maybe the moist side of dry.
Either one of those would work. Yes, because they like to have not a lot of water. They don't require a lot of water. Think of where they are in the tropics. They're getting most of their moisture from just the atmosphere and not necessarily the ground. So, but they are very good house plants to have.
Good house plants. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.